name is Darrell. I'm 7 years old. I like this puppy just because it looks cute and strong. I'll show you how it's supposed to move. Okay. The battery is actually here. So how you move it, just push this here and it can move. Okay, let me show you. That the puppy, when I put something there, it can just go run over it or just push it. Let me show you. Okay, so also when I just hit it when it's moving, this thing will just fly off and you just continue moving. Let me show you. See, I hit again. Just kind of, that's because when it's moving, it just hits here. That's because it's moving, it just reflects it back. His head also can go